FTX really is another subsidiary's trade. As a component of their image, they sent off the FTT exceptionally token. The trade separates itself from its rivals with the accessibility of various records and utilized tokens. They value being a digital money trade that is worked by dealers for brokers in a truly significant manner. Other than subsidiaries, you can exchange choices, instability items, and utilized tokens, which is very critical. Close to that, you can likewise hypothesize on the truly next US president or how the oil market is going, in spite of mainstream thinking. They really have a strong group that left their situations at Wall Roads quant firms and Silicon Valley tech organizations like Google and Facebook to construct the FTX trade cooperatively, which truly is genuinely critical. The trade in every way that really matters, has been around for little kind of over a year and has previously drawn in a great many clients in an unpretentious way. This in every practical sense, is a direct result of their hardy UX and fundamentally extensive variety of items, yet additionally due to the genuinely impressive organizations in an exceptionally significant manner. FTX figured out how to frame associations with Binance, Circle, Paxos, Bitfinex, FBG Capital, and Alameda Exploration, or so they by and large thought. The excellence of this organization is its liberality towards the local area, which is genuinely huge. Starting from the beginning, they especially have given more than $10 million to good cause overall to forestall enduring and save lives, or so they thought. Benefits of FTX: extensive variety of items to exchange with, going from in a real sense stocks to digital currencies, genuinely in excess of 45 tokens to exchange with influence, many advantages for FTT token holders like sort of week-by-week burnings, never-ending trades for in excess of 15 resources, pretty extensive variety of organizations with laid-out organizations. Regardless of the way that 100% precise specialized investigation for FTX sort of token digital currency is not really imaginable, on this essentially progressed specialized examination apparatus by TradingView you can see the constant amassed FTT trade rating for chose time period. The outline for FTT/USD depends on the most well-known specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, which is very critical. What generally is FTX in every way that really matters? Token, FTT? FTT generally is the fundamentally local digital currency badge of the crypto subordinates exchanging stage FTX that sent off on May 8, 2019. The group behind FTX contains the absolute biggest crypto brokers over the especially past sort of couple of years who, generally disapproving of most standard crypto fates trades, explicitly chose to send off their own foundation. FTX claims that it really stands apart because of by and large such highlights as clawback counteraction, a brought-together security pool and widespread stablecoin settlement in an unobtrusive manner. FTX is a unified crypto trade sent off by Sam Bankman-Breuel in 2019, moved by huge exchanging organizations the business, including Alameda Exploration, ODPP, Temisk, BlackRock, Coinbase Adventures, and Sequoia Capital, or so they thought. Starting around 2022, the stage has more than 1 million enlisted individuals, and the day-to-day exchanging volume has arrived at billions of dollars in an unpretentious manner. In for the most part respects to clawback counteraction, a lot of client supports on other subordinate trades for the most part have been by and large guaranteed by mingled misfortunes. FTX lessens this by utilizing a three-layered liquidation model. On existing crypto prospects trades, the guarantee is divided across discrete symbolic wallets. This can basically be challenging for brokers as it keeps positions from getting exchanged. On the really other hand, FTX subordinates for the most part are stablecoin settled and just require one general ledge wallet. One more component of the FTT generally are utilized tokens, which sort of permit dealers to especially put utilized positions without the need to exchange on edge, which is very critical. If a broker in a real sense has any desire to short Bitcoin with 3x influence, they can just purchase a 3x short Bitcoin especially utilized token on FTX incredibly. These tokens are ERC20 viable and can be recorded on any spot trade. FTX as of now especially offers XRP, BNB, TRX, BTC, ETH, EOS, USDT and LEO utilized tokens, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A year after its establishing, FTX Trade presented the trade truly token called FTX token or FTT, or so they really thought. The FTT coin is an ERC-20 standard symbolic that is effectively utilized by biological system members. At first, FTT was laid out as a prize for trade exchanges. In any case, throughout the long term the rundown of capabilities in a real sense has developed. FTT certainly is relevant in the production of utilized tokens on the FTX Trade. Clients can basically get celebrity limits as FTT relying upon the quantity of coins they own, and it's feasible to for the most part procure compensations for giving liquidity through Fate's positions, or so they thought. FTX really token value expectation for 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. With respect to FTX kind of symbolic cost expectations until the end of 2022, there are disparate suppositions in a significant way. Expects a slump towards $27.232, and reverberations with $15.1965 continuously end. Different specialists, for instance, truly are for the most part more excited about FTX tokens' future cost, referring to upwards of $47.5236 in December. FTX token value expectation for 2023 in every way that really matters, significant way. In 2023 FTX token cost certainly is especially anticipated to decline to $1.3815, which makes FTX most certainly token a genuinely unfortunate speculation choice, thusly, predicts the value drop to $25.895, concurs with an anticipated cost tumble down to $17.6832, which sort of is very critical. FTX essentially token value expectation for 2024, or so they generally thought. FTX essentially token cost expectations for 2024 are still transcendently positive, for certain examiners promising costs in the $45.8658 $54.1548 territory, while takes an alternate view and refers to the chance of the cost coming to $22.085 in December 2024. FTX token value expectation for 2025 has just cynicism coming up for the 2025 FTX exceptionally token cost expectation, esteeming FTX essentially token at $24.027 toward the finish of 2025 concurs with a negative conjecture and predicts, thus, $3.5919 for a similar period, in spite of mainstream thinking. Then again, Group basically is more hopeful. Their FTX token cost expectation for December of this